Realme 9i is expected to be released on February 10, 2022. Realme's expected price in USD is $261. Let's get into the details of the specification. The Snapdragon 680 processor will power the next smartphone. Under the hood of this smartphone is a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, as well as a strong GPU called Adreno 610. The display of Realme 9i is 6.6-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. There's also an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display, which is the most recent and well known for its excellent performance. This handset will have a massive RAM capacity of 4GB and 6GB. The smartphone's internal storage capacity is 64GB and 128GB. In the back of the Realme 9i, there is a triple camera. The main camera has a resolution of 50 megapixels, as well as a depth sensor of 2 megapixels and a macro sensor of 2 megapixels. The selfie camera has a resolution of 16 megapixels and will produce stunning images. To secure your data from loss, the incoming handset has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. This 9i comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33-watt Dart battery charger. The Android 11 operating system will be used on this device. The smartphone also has 4G/LTE, 90 Hz, dual SIM, micro SD card slot, GPRS, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, 3.5mm audio jack, accelerometer, proximity, magnetic induction sensor, and ambient light sensor, as well as other features. How do you feel about this phone? Leave comment below. And also, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.